Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best floor chairs with back support that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BIRDROCK Home Adjustable 14-Position Memory Foam Floor Chair. BIRDROCK Home comes with 5 different colors such as blue, brown, eggplant, gray and orange. The product is made of fabric, soft plush quality, as well as memory foam, chopped. Your body could easily relax with BIRDROCK Home because the memory foam could easily adjust to your body contour. The floor chair could be used in 14 different positions, which you could do various activities and still relax with the floor chair. Those positions are for activities such as taking naps, watching favorite movies, as well as become a chair for playing a board game. The product is great for bonding activities among family members and great for kids reading, coloring, playing and gaming. BIRDROCK Home is able to be stored easily. You could put BIRDROCK Home under your tall couch or bed. The chair could be laid flat so that it could stand atop of each other. BIRDROCK Home comes with a 3-dimensional size as follow: 21.25 by 41.25 by 6 inches. Moving on, at number 4, we have the BonVIVO Easy 3 Padded Floor Chair Portable. BonVIVO Easy 3 comes with 2 different colors including beige and cognac as well as blue and beige. The product comes with a foldable design so that it is convenient to be stored. The adjustable feature comes with BonVIVO Easy Eyes backrest, which you could get a relaxing posture. The product combines component parts such as PE foam, upholstery filling and poo foam. The component parts allow the foldable chair to be adjusted to your body contour. With BonVIVO Easy 3, you could read, relax, TV watch or conduct group discussions. Teens and kids would love the product as well because of the flexible quality offered by the floor chair. It should be noted the floor chair comes with a cover which is stain resistant as well as could easily be wiped clean with a wet sponge. The product comes with a 3-dimensional size of 56 cm by 47 cm by 10 cm. BonVIVO Easy 3 could function as stadium chair also, while the product's supporting weight is 220 pounds. At number 3, we have the Best Choice Products 14-Position Memory Foam Folding Adjustable Gaming Floor Sofa Chair. Best Choice Floor Chair with back support has 3 different colors including lilac, gray and black. The floor chair could give you 14 different positions which you could use for gaming, taking a snooze, relaxing, watching TV and more. The memory foam makes up most of the Best Choice's parts. The material offers you great comfort on top of quality and supports. Best Choice's exterior design is excellent for a child's room, living room and home. The product comes with a 3-dimensional size of 40 by 21 by 4 inches when flat as well as 24 by 21 by 19 inches when folded. The product has a weight of 10.6 pounds. At number 2, we have the Nnewvante Floor Chair Adjustable Back Support. Nuante floor seat with back support could serve your various activities including bay window, bedroom, living room, tatami, classroom, dormitory and so on. The product gives users 5 different adjustable backrest which could recline in between 90 and 180 degrees. As a result, the product is good for preventing back and cervical pain as well as comfort. The back jack chair is designed ergonomically for heat dissipation. The product is lightweight and washable with a weight of only 5.5 pounds. The floor seat comes with a cover which could easily be removed for cleaning. Moreover, the cover comes with crystal velvet color. Nnuvante's 3-dimensional size is 30 by 18.9 by 3 inches. And finally, at number 1, we have the GiantTex Folding Lazy Sofa Floor Chair Sofa Lounger Bed. GiantTex comes with only a color of white. The cushion seat is detachable. The product is long so that there is no problem for tall people. The sofa chair is adjustable. You could sit with 5 different angles. The chair could be flat laid on the floor, serves as a single bed or be folded for storage purpose. The armrests are designed ergonomically with a pillow as bonus. The padded cushion is convenient. The component part adjusts easily to your body contour, which is good for reading. The product comes with a frame of durable and solid steel. GiantTex has an extended 3-dimensional size of 21.7 by 18.5 by 5.2 inches. Back size is 2-dimensional size of 21.7 by 28.8 inches, and the pillow's 3-dimensional size of 21.3 by 9.1 by 4 inches. It is recommended that users use the floor chair as rather a chilling spot than a bed for you to take a nap. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.